Hi everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to toggle on and off the command bar in MicroSurvey's MSCAD. So let's say I have a drawing and it's fairly complicated and I wanted to see more of it at once, and the command bar is just getting in the way. You can see right in the top left of the command bar I have a little X. I can click on that and it will dismiss the command bar. But now if I wanted it back, where do I go? Well, to get the command bar back, I go to the View tab up top, and then I go into the Display menu and I click on Command Bar. And I can also toggle it off this way just by clicking it again. You can see the command bar is coming up, going away. That's all for today. If you liked this video or found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see our future videos coming down the line, subscribe to our channel. And if you have an idea of what you'd like to see next in these videos, leave it in the comment down below. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us online at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.